Man, it's actually crazy how people still ask me, hey, are you making money online? Are you still doing that online thing? Well, here's the facts right here. Over 90% of new millionaires are created online. Actually, 1,500 new millionaires are created today through online sales, selling other people's products, if not their own, right? So the whole world is changing. It's no longer an industrial era. We're in an informational era where the more knowledge you have, the more money you can make. And today, the knowledge people are learning from the internet, they're making 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, and more, all from building their business online. 4 years ago, I started building my business online, and I haven't looked back since, and I've been able to make money and create an income for myself anywhere in the world, no matter where I'm at. And I've been able to show thousands and thousands, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people from different countries I've never even stepped foot in. You need to leverage other people's efforts if you really want to have success. Any millionaire will tell you, putting together systems where you can put together a system where somebody can implement exactly what you do to get results is how you have success in business. So we're teaching people exactly how to leverage the internet, build a brand, and build a sales team to actually go sell your own product or somebody else's product and earn a residual income. Because actually online, in network marketing or sales is the only place you can really earn a residual income unless you're a song artist or a book writer. So it's time to wake up, guys, and get the information you need to step into the new financial era where 19-year-olds, 18-year-olds, 20-year-olds, 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds are making 6-7 figures from home, working from home, and you should be too. So I hope to see you guys get started. We're going to help you with everything you need to know, how to set up a website, how to get branded on social media, how to go get your first customer, and show you exactly how people are doing it, the new way of creating wealth, and which is online. Look at Uber, right? Look at Airbnb. Uber has taken over taxi. Airbnb has taken over hotels. Look at Amazon, the newest billionaire, Amazon. So the opportunity is everywhere. You just have to open your eyes and see it's out there, and go get you a laptop, go get you a smartphone, and start making money.